day 3, just like that.
Okay.
Just like that, day 3.
So fast. The
All
month
right.
is just going down.
Now, I know that you didn't think I would get this, but you like rearranged and
A little bit. I got stopped.
and all I had to do was slide a package over and it's day 3.
Yay!
Now, there are some special things that you need to know. So these boxes, as cute as they are, each one represents one of the shops. And Ron loves a good Christmas village.
Yes.
He does. And so you can actually put these on your mantle and make your own little MSQC Christmas village. It's going to be very fun. Yeah. All right, well, let's open number 3. We have everything out here now so they can see it. Our fabric, scrappy fabric card maker kit. Thank you. Which I love that. There's something special about snail mail, isn't there?
Yeah.
Now, this is actually going to be Ron's favorite gift of the whole thing because you are the reason I picked this.
Okay. Oh.
So take a look at these. Wait, put this back like a village.
Yes.
There we go. And you guys have to look at these. So these are tiny little measuring cups.
Oh,
Ron is
wow.
my baker.
I will love this.
Look at these, and they're in the same
A quarter
colorway
cup.
and design. There's a
Third
third.
cup.
Look at this one.
I don't have to use regular cups anymore.
No, you can do these.
Measure
And of
put in
course,
there.
these are beautiful bowls for whatever you want to use them with. But right here on the side, it will say the measurement.
Yes.
And I just do love this so much. They are microwave and dishwasher safe. What do you think?
I love it.
I
Thank
knew
you.
knew you would.
This is my present?
It's just special for you so
Thank
that
you.
you will keep baking for me.
I will.
All right.
Eclairs.
Well, you have to set these up on the mantle now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Here.
make sure. Yeah, eclairs is a big deal. And
Eclairs,
and,
oatmeal cake, all the good stuff.
all the good stuff. You're making all the kids feel.
Okay.
you
This
know,
is
they
going
wish
to the
they
back
had
a
it.
little bit.
Wish you had there to bake.
I'll make them envious.
There you go.
Let's see,
Make them
this
on
one
either
goes-
side so we can still show up.
That's the retreat that goes over there.
I don't think it matters where they go. You can
It
recreate.
matters to me.
Right.
Mercantile is over here. Okay.
You can make the town however you want. You can be the designer of the town.
I'm designing my town.
There you go. Perfect. All right. Well, we enjoyed this morning. I know you're going to love these measuring cups, and we will see you for day 4.